Geek Squad scam email, how to spot and avoid it. Geek Squad scam email, how to spot and avoid it. If you've received an email claiming to be from Geek Squad, your instincts might tell you to be cautious. Most people get this wrong by assuming emails from familiar brands are always safe. The surprising truth is that scammers often impersonate well-known companies to steal personal information or money. You won't believe what happens next. These scam emails usually claim urgent action is required, like confirming a purchase, fixing an account or verifying payment. They often include links to fake websites that look authentic. Clicking these links can compromise your data or install malware on your device. To stay safe, always check the sender's email address carefully. Official emails from Geek Squad will come from an ABSP.com domain. Never provide personal details or payment information in response to unsolicited emails. Instead, log in directly to your account through the official website to verify any claims. In conclusion, Geek Squad scam emails are common, but with careful attention, you can avoid falling victim. Remember to verify the sender, avoid suspicious links, and report any scam attempts to the company. Staying vigilant keeps your accounts and devices secure.